Grilled chicken. Prepare the chicken. If using bone-in chicken, make small slashes in the meat to help it cook more evenly. Pat the chicken dry with a paper towel. Marinate. In a bowl, mix olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Coat the chicken in the marinade and let it sit for at least 20 minutes. You can refrigerate it for a few hours for a deeper flavor. Optionally, add lemon zest or fresh herbs to the marinade for extra flavor. Prepare the grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat around 375 to 400 F. Clean the grill grates to prevent sticking. Oil the grill grates using a paper towel dipped in oil or a grill brush. Grill the chicken. Place the chicken on the grill over direct heat. Grill the chicken for 6 to 7 minutes per side for boneless, or 10 to 12 minutes per side for bone-in, until the internal temperature reaches 165 F75 C. Optionally, move the chicken to a cooler part of the grill to finish cooking if it gets too dark on the outside. For extra flavor, you can squeeze fresh lemon juice over the chicken while it's grilling. Rest and serve. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the grill and let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing. This helps the juices redistribute. Serve with grilled vegetables, rice, or a fresh salad. Enjoy your perfectly grilled outdoor chicken. Salt 1/2 tsp, black pepper 1/2 tsp, onion powder optional, fresh parsley for garnish. Prepare the marinade. In a bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, lemon zest, minced garlic, oregano, paprika, salt, black pepper, and onion powder if using. Marinate the chicken. Place the chicken breasts in a resealable plastic bag or shallow dish. Pour the marinade over the chicken, making sure it's well coated. Seal the bag or cover the dish and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or up to 2 hours for more flavor. Preheat the grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat about 375-400 F, 190-200 C. Grill the chicken. Remove the chicken from the marinade and discard any leftover marinade. Place the chicken breasts on the grill. Grill for 6 to 7 minutes on each side, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 F75 C and the juices run clear. Rest and serve. Once the chicken is cooked, let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. This helps the juices redistribute and keeps the chicken moist. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve with your favorite side dishes. Grilled chicken comes in many varieties, each offering unique flavors and textures depending on the seasonings, marinades, and cooking methods used. Here are several popular types of grilled chicken that you can explore. Classic grilled chicken flavor profile: simple, smoky, and savory. Marinade, seasoning: olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, lemon juice, and herbs like thyme or rosemary. Method: this is the most basic style, with minimal seasoning to let the natural flavors of the chicken shine. BBQ grilled chicken flavor profile: sweet, tangy, and smoky. Marinade, seasoning: BBQ sauce, brown sugar, vinegar, garlic, onion powder, paprika, and a dash of hot sauce for some heat. Method: chicken is grilled over in direct heat and brushed with BBQ sauce toward the end to create a caramelized glaze. Lemon herb grilled chicken flavor profile: bright, fresh, and herby. Marinade, seasoning: lemon juice, lemon zest, garlic, olive oil, oregano, thyme, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Method: the chicken is marinated for several hours, allowing the citrus and herbs to infuse into the meat for a refreshing taste. Teriyaki grilled chicken flavor profile: sweet, savory, and umami-packed. Marinade, seasoning: soy sauce, honey or brown sugar, ginger, garlic, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. Method: the chicken is marinated in a homemade or store-bought teriyaki sauce, then grilled and glazed for a sticky, flavorful finish. Flavorful, crispy outer layer.
Cajun grilled chicken flavor profile: spicy, smoky, and bold. Marinade, seasoning: Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, paprika, thyme, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. Method: a spicy rub is applied to the chicken, which is then grilled to perfection, creating a flavorful, crispy outer layer. Tandoori grilled chicken flavor profile: bold, spicy, and aromatic. Marinade, seasoning: yogurt, garam masala, turmeric, cumin, coriander, ginger, garlic, and cayenne pepper. Method: the chicken is marinated in a spiced yogurt mixture and grilled, giving it a smoky flavor reminiscent of traditional Indian tandoor cooking. Grilled chicken shawarma flavor profile: warm, fragrant, and slightly tangy. Marinade, seasoning: garlic, cumin, coriander, paprika, turmeric, cinnamon, lemon juice, and olive oil. Method: chicken is marinated in Middle Eastern spices, then grilled and served with pita or flatbread, often topped with tahini or yogurt-based sauces. Jerk grilled chicken flavor profile: spicy, smoky, and flavorful. Marinade, seasoning: Scotch bonnet peppers, allspice, thyme, garlic, ginger, scallions, lime juice, soy sauce, and brown sugar. Method: a spicy marinade inspired by Jamaican jerk seasoning, where the chicken is marinated for hours and grilled until smoky and charred. Honey mustard grilled chicken flavor profile: sweet, tangy, and savory. Marinade, seasoning: honey, Dijon mustard, olive oil, garlic, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Method: the chicken is marinated in a honey mustard sauce and grilled, creating a balance of sweetness and tanginess. Grilled chicken with chimichurri flavor profile: fresh, garlicky, and herby. Marinade, seasoning: chimichurri sauce made with parsley, garlic, vinegar, olive oil, red pepper flakes, and oregano. Method: the chicken is grilled and then topped with chimichurri, an Argentinian sauce that brings a vibrant, fresh contrast to the smoky grilled meat. Spicy grilled chicken with sriracha flavor profile: hot, tangy, and slightly sweet. Marinade, seasoning: sriracha, honey, garlic, soy sauce, and a touch of sesame oil. Method: the chicken is marinated in a spicy sweet sauce, then grilled for a flavorful heat that packs a punch. Grilled Mediterranean chicken flavor profile: fresh, tangy, and savory. Marinade, seasoning: olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, oregano, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Method: marinated with Mediterranean herbs and grilled for a light, refreshing dish, often served with grilled vegetables or a Greek salad. Grilled chicken tips: cooking temperature: always grill chicken on medium heat to avoid burning the outside while leaving the inside undercooked. Internal temperature: ensure the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit 75 degrees Celsius for safety. Resting time: allow grilled chicken to rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving to keep the juices inside.